Hi guys, this is Austin with NavRepair.com, and today we'll be going over some common problems or repairs that we come across with the MYGIG RHR infotainment system. First common problem we find, which is with any other MYGIG, is with the touchscreen. Usually ones that we repair are cracked or broken, and we do use genuine OEM replacement touchscreens to repair the touchscreens to restore them to pristine working condition. The second common problem we come across has to do with the CD-DVD mechanism. Again, this unit can play DVDs and CDs, and sometimes when you insert, or you won't be able to insert or eject a CD or a DVD. Also, when you insert a DVD or CD, sometimes the screen will continuously read or say reading. Again, this is another common problem that has to do with the CD-DVD mechanism. Also, this unit is prone to corrupt hard drives. You'll notice you have a corrupt hard drive when the unit is powered on and it stays on the splash screen, which shows your vehicle's logo, or it'll go to a blank screen. A common check you can do to determine if you have a corrupt hard drive is to remove the hard drive, which is located on the bottom of the unit. Once you remove the hard drive and power the RHR back on, the unit should, if it's not a hard drive issue or corrupt hard drive, it should power on normally. Again, if the unit does not power on normally with the hard drive removed, then you do have a mainboard issue. Either issue we can repair. We can program this unit for DVD in-motion playback. This will allow your passengers to watch DVD movies while the car is in drive, and it'll also allow them to punch in addresses or destinations without having to put the car in park. Again, for us to program this feature, you will need to send in your radio into us, into our facility, in order to get it programmed. We do also provide map updates for this system. We can update the map database, and we do have for free download on our website updated grace notes and firmware. Again, on any repair on the RHR, we do use genuine OEM replacement parts, so your unit will be restored to factory working conditions if sent in for repair to us. If you have any questions or need more information, please visit our website, www.navrepair.com, or you can send us an email to support@navrepair.com, or you can call 1-855-628-7372 to speak with someone regarding your RHR infotainment system. If you need help removing your radio from your vehicle's dash, please click the link above and you'll be redirected to a page that will have various removal videos for either Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep. Thank you for watching.